Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. You will hear a click when the stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Lift up the arm of the windshield wiper. Incline the blade to 90 degrees. To remove the blade, pull towards you in order to free it from its holding bar, then remove the blade. To put the new ones in place, clip them into the housing. You will hear a click when the stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.